and today we're going to be diving back in and doing something that has probably been one of the most requested thing that I've had to do to my car since I've put the wing on, and that is to get the rear bumper back on. These sides still need to tuck in. The screws are through the holes, they just need to be tightened up. And then, yeah, just working on getting those ends sorted out. From here, I think I just need to find those mounts, or I may even just leave it as is, and then go ahead and take it off again so I can wrap it. But that's kind of the idea for now. So, hey, project well done. Got the bumper in my room now. Yes, it looks a little weird because, as I mentioned before, this is the only place hooking it up. There we go. That's looking much better now. I had to wait an extra day. I know I said I was going to start wrapping it yesterday. Doesn't matter for you guys. Same video. Anyway, I had to wait to let these dry underneath because these are the metal trims. And since this only has this one point going right through here, I used some steam sealer as glue to press this all up. So this isn't going to bend around. This is kind of flopping back and forth. Anyway, that's all set in. So is that side, and so is that side. So that's better. Anyway, the plan is we're going to go ahead and wrap this today, or at least try to get most of it done. I think I should have the time, and I have all the wrap right there. So the only thing that's a little concerning about this is I should have enough wrap, but there's a slight possibility that I won't have enough to do it all and still do the rest of the flares, which I'm a little worried about, but not too bad. But anyway, here's the plan of attack. So since I'm not an expert wrapper or anything by any means, I'm gonna do this in a few parts. I'm gonna cut it up into, I think, three, I guess technically 4 different parts. So this will be one piece down here. I know, I just don't feel super confident in my skills in order to get all the way up to here. So I'm gonna do a seam right here and have it go down. I'm not gonna worry about this bottom little tiny lip here, that'll be covered by another piece. Do the same over here, so that's, I guess, technically the 2 pieces. And then one piece all the way from this side across here to the other side down there. That'll all be one piece. And then, I can't really move this around right now, but, oh, there's a little slit right there. No, never mind, I'll just do it all in one piece all the way across here. Technically, I may split this up to do a couple pieces if I have leftover wrap. But that's the plan of attack for that. I still need to do some cleaning up because, as you can see, I still have extra fiberglass that's on there that I need to clean up. But it shouldn't be too big of a deal, just a lot of tedious stuff that I need to do. So I'm going to set you guys down on the tripod, and it's going to be a lot of time lapse from here on out. So why not begin? Time lapse starting in 3, 2, 1, go! Alright, bumper's all wrapped. Let's go ahead and just put it on the back of the car and then we'll be able to get to see how it looks. Also, I put the car back on the ground the other night, and hey, I like it. It looks stinking good. So I'll get it on and then I'll give a little walk around and see how it looks. That looks pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. I'm really happy with this. I am no means a professional rapper at all, and this battery's right about to die, but yeah, there's some seams there, but I really like how it looks. It just completes the back end and makes it look so much smoother than it was before, and the diffuser pokes out perfectly. I pulled the car a couple feet forward just to help see it better, though I don't know if that's helping. Also, side tangent, I think the engine's lighter. I need to do some more research on it, but this gap seems a bit higher than it was before. But hey, it's so cool. So, that is a successful bumper, and I think that looks pretty stinking cool. So, yeah, that's really about it. I love it. I think it looks so good on the car right now. I know a lot of people on Instagram were telling me to just leave it how it was and just say, with no bumper on it, and they think it looks mean. And I think it looks mean too, but that's pretty cool. Anyway, I'm going to cut it off here before my battery dies on you guys. That's really about it for this one. Thanks guys for watching. I appreciate it. Leave your ideas on what you think about it below, whether you like the no bumper or the bumper better. And yeah, it's cool to hear what you guys think. Anyway, that's really about it. I'm really excited about it. If you couldn't see on my face, I think it looks awesome. So don't forget to do the usual, guys. Dislike, unsubscribe, and leave your hate in the comments, guys. Bye!